It's hard enough to find my way, but it's harder when the lights go out. The shadows of my darkest days keep me quiet when I'm trying to make a sound. The old me would be running away, but I'm not afraid to hold it close. Slowly watch hours go by to get through the night. Oh, I was up till the break of dawn, trying to pick myself off the ground. Wanna get back the time I lost and turn this around. There's a bright side in the storm, but my head's in the clouds, trying to find what I'm looking for. Where's the upside of down? The heaviness